The many benefits of this tent are the fact that it requires less people to install it, it is a stronger tent, and it is a quieter tent. In addition to those three benefits, we've also designed this so that nothing is different as far as the assembly in regards to this tent versus a West Coast frame tent. It pins the same way, uses all the same pipe and fittings with the exception of the two unique parts, the crown and the Keder rafter. Speaking of the crown, the other thing that we did is we made our crown so it is a 3-in-1 crown. One crown serves the purpose of an 8-way fitting, a 6-way fitting, and a 4-way ridge fitting, reducing the number of parts that you need to inventory. Overall, better, stronger, faster, quieter, cleaner. That's what the Ameritrac tent is.